Hello my guys, welcome to another episode. I have this 2004 for F250 and on the mirrors I'm replacing the turn signals for LEDs. This is the stock mirror, you barely see the light in it, plus it's old, has some scratches in it, and that's with the lights on, and that's the turn signal. That's the new turn signal, a lot brighter and bigger. Now with the lights on, you only light up this part. And with the lights on the new LEDs, the whole light up on white. Few difference between the lights that I get to these ones. These ones, they have the tabs on this side, and I tried to remove only the light to put the other one, and I broke the tabs in here. The design is not easy to remove. On the new one, it has no tabs on this side, and it held by screws. You're gonna put 1, 2, and 3 screws. That means for this design, it's not just by removing these and put the new ones. Actually, you have to remove the cover, which is kind of difficult because it has some tabs in here. I believe it's 1, 2, and 3, and you might break something. That's why I kind of I don't like this design. I could have just removed this one and break the tabs and put the new ones, but it's kind of difficult. I'm gonna try to pry everywhere around and then pull it, but if you don't pull it right, you're gonna break the tabs inside, which is a bummer, but I'm gonna have to do it in order for me to put this one because this one has screws. So I'm gonna put the link in the description, but not the greatest design. It could be just removing this one and then put this one, but it is what it is. They look really good, but it's a whole process. So let me get to removing this part. With few tools to remove panels, pry all the way around to open it up, and then once you release all the little clips all the way around, we might be able to pull it. But like I said, I'm gonna show you in a minute once I remove it how everything is held inside. I already released two of the tabs in the middle. Now I have to get to the other one on this side. Okay, and I'm gonna show you why it's difficult. Disconnect your turn signal, and if you're not careful, you're gonna break these tabs. It has a little hooks inside in here, all these three, and what it does, one is pointing down, one is pointing up, and that's why these ones are difficult to remove. But with these little tools, if you get these tools and just pry everything around so you can open it little by little, you're gonna avoid breaking something. The design is okay, but it's hard. If you don't know what you're doing, you're gonna break something. So there you go. Now I just have to remove these tabs, press on these little tabs, and that's why you have to do it from the inside, because if you don't do it from the inside, you have to squeeze these little tabs. If you don't do it from the inside, you're gonna break it anyways. But we have to replace it, so that's how you remove the cover on this 2004 F250. This is the new light. It's gonna go like that, so we gotta put the cable inside from here. It's coming out right there, and you have the 3 holes for the screws right here. The screws are in place, and we have everything ready. Now the only thing is connected to the stock harness, amber when it's the turn signals, and white with the lights on. So everything works. Okay, now we have everything complete with the mirrors. Let's go to the third brake light to replace it as well. For the third brake light, I already put LEDs only on these ones, but it's pretty old. If you can see, it looks okay, but I get another one. It's gonna look a lot better with LEDs, and it's very simple to replace. It's only one connector. And I put LEDs just to make it look a little bit better. This is the one that I get. Came with the new foam. It's gonna look a lot better. Same connector, plug and play. I'm gonna put the foam and when I clean the area. Look at those LEDs. I'm gonna press on the brakes. Let's see how the brake looks like. Okay, my guys, it looks really good. The turn signals on the mirrors, they look awesome as well. Link is gonna be in the description for both lights if you have this 2004 for F250. The turn signals on the mirrors, you can put them on 2003 to 2007 for F250 and F350, as well with this third brake light. Link is gonna be in the description for both, and I'll leave you with that on this installation. Super easy. On the next episode, I'm gonna do headlights and fog lights, and for the next episode I'm gonna show you everything at night, so stay tuned for the next episode. It was only the installation. I gotta do more lighting on this truck, so when I get that done, you're gonna see the whole result on the next episode, how it looks, everything at night. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.